Mm. First of all, thank you, all of you, for Miss Poppy, for media personalities for visiting our institution, Ahambara Batu English School, Higher Secondary, today, 29th May 2026. We had a program, and that is the freshman social meet. Uh, this is the third time that our school is organizing the freshman social meet. Here, we have felicitated class 11 students, those who have newly taken admission in our institution, both in arts and science stream. So I'm very happy to announce that uh, last year uh, our student appeared in higher secondary, and we got a good result. It is a 100% in the science stream. And this year also we are 21 number of students are preparing for high secondary final examination in both arts and science stream. So today, in order to bring a kind of bond between the student among the newcomers and the old student existing in this institution, we have organized the freshman social meet. So the student will have the culture of actions. So the students will build the teamwork, uh, good relationship, understanding among themselves, friendshipness, and the unity in diversity. So as per our school, Ahambare Batu English High Secondary is only the one institution in the entire Sanjarinagar Cement Sapri that different students coming from different castes, belong to different tribes, they study here. They dream for building up their career, and many of the students become success from this institution. As per our school managing committee and the well-wishers of this entire Sanjarinagar Cement Sapri and the teaching staffs, all the faculty members who are working very heart and soul to build up a good educational atmosphere in this institution. And it had been successful from the very beginning, so that till today we never found a single student they are not qualified in getting job or getting admission in other institution. So here our school is producing number of students, number of quality students from this institution. Where a student pass out from the high secondary, where a student pass out from the metric, this is from the class 10, and getting good admission in good colleges, taking admission in the MBBS course, JEE courses, or doing the masters, doing the PhD, and doing the job in many other areas of Assam and outside Assam also. Today, being the principal of this institution, I feel proud. So that because till today, whatever I am achieving from our student is bring a kind of happiness in my mind, and hope that the parents, those who have sent their children to our institution, we train them, we mold them, every children, so that they are guided properly and build up their careers as successful person. We not only train the student to get the good marks, but we train the student to be being a perfect human being. We want the student in such a way, or we train the student in such a way that the student learn the moral values, the student learn the discipline, and produces the good character, and which by which they become a person, a good social human being in the society, and they will work for the development of society, they will work for the development of our nation. So dear parents, in this happy moment, a kind of memorable for all the students, at the same time it's me too also, and I thank all of the parents, students, our teaching staffs for being cooperating to make the program successful, and our governing body members, the well wishers, and their guests, those who present in today's program and made the program grand success. So here I assure myself, being the principal of the institution, that studying here in this institution will really be upgraded with a good atmosphere. Really, the student will be skilled with the not only the type of learning or getting the marks, but the student will become a perfect human being. The student will have or achieve the quality education and become a good human being in this world. So once again, I'd like to thank each and everyone and sum up this message addressing in this day. Thank you.